Hello, in today's video I am going to go over the Owandy I-max Touch control panel. The pan that we are working with today is the I-max Touch pan only version. So this pan does not have the Ceph option and it does not have the 3D option. This is the pan only. So I'm going to go over the control panel, going to briefly touch on each button and what each button does. At the moment, our pan is going through its initial startup phase. Once we press the circle button here, the pan will put itself into position to accept some different options that we choose on the screen. Once the pan is ready, we will see the options up top. The 4 buttons on the right side allow you to choose for your different patients. So the first button is to choose between child and adult. The second button is to choose patient density, so we have our small, medium, and large. The third button down is to choose your patient's frontal dentition. And the fourth button down is to turn radiation exposure on and off. The only time that you're going to use that fourth button is, say if you get a new staff member and you're going through staff training. That button will turn your exposure on and off. The left and right arrow keys here choose between our different settings. So you see we have a right and left pan, we have the improved dentition pan, we have a low dose pan. The next option is going to be our frontal dentition. Next option is for our bite wing right side, and then we have bite wing left side. And then of course we have bite wing right and left side. And then the next option is going to be our full pan. So now that we have our options chosen, we can put our patient in and press the top right button, which will turn on our laser guiding system. The up and down arrow keys on the right side of the control panel allow us to move the pan up and down to accommodate our patient's height. The lower left button with the circle on it is what we will press once our patient is inside the pan and our options are chosen. You'll see that the tube head will go into position and the green light will go green, stating that it is ready for an exam. To start the exam, we'll pick up the control button and we will hold the control button down for the entire duration of the pan. You'll see the orange light on the left side of the control panel will light up, which indicates that radiation exposure is occurring. As the tube head goes around the patient's head, you will instantly see the pan show up on the control screen. Once the pan is complete, you'll ask your patient to exit the pan and you will press the circle button once more, which will return the tube head to its original position. Once the tube head is back to its original position, you'll see that the patient's pan will pop up on the screen for quick viewing. At this point, we are able to zoom out and zoom in on the pan. We can also use our finger to move the pan around so that we can zoom in and quickly see specific parts of the pan. And as you'll see in our other video, this pan is now automatically put into our imaging software. So at this point, we just hit the home button and we're ready to take another pan. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other Owandy videos on how to perform a full pan and how the pan integrates in different imaging softwares. Of course, if you have any questions, always feel free to give us a call, 1-800-821-8962. Send us an email, support@sodiumdental.com, or visit our website and speak to one of our representatives through the chat function on our website.